graphic card update, that is from Manly Gallardo GT 1070. We need to make sure that our computer or the PC requires the ample amount of power supply. So I also ordered a power supply of 750 of COOLERMASTER. Let's see what we have here. I'm just going to reveal it. The vendor just sent me yesterday. I received it yesterday. So let's hope that it would be according to our requirements. By the way, the GT 1070 requires at least 550 watts of power supply. So make sure that you have ample amount of power supply with it. Okay. So you have an option to buy a brand new or a used one. I opted to save a buck or two on the used one, so I went with the COOLERMASTER 750 watts of power supply. The vendor did pack a bit tighter than I expected, but that's a good thing. Here we go. It's almost there. Oh, it looks nice. I love it. Okay. So, as you can see, we have a 750 watts of power supply. It's 80 plus bronze. That means it would be efficient. Although I would prefer to have a gold one, but under my budget constraints, I only bought the 80 plus bronze. If you have a chance to get an 80 plus gold, that would be much efficient for a power supply. And COOLERMASTER, as I've been told, is one of the best companies which might rival the Corsair's power supplies. So we have a lots and lots of wires here. I'm not going to untangle it right now. You know what? I'm going to hire a professional to install these things on my PC. So I'm just going to give you a look of what the COOLERMASTER is all about. One giant fan here. The logo's right there. There is a socket for the electrical applications to attach to the initial socket of the house. So another safety feature. So the model is G750M. As I've been told, this is more than sufficient to support my current system and the future requirements. So again, these are the tangled wires, not going to mess with them. It's a lot of hassle right now. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to further extend and build my PC in the coming year. So good luck, take care.